Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Now, no shade, real tea. Do you guys love this look? Because I do. Now, I want to get into it as soon as possible because y'all just need to hear about this. Now, before we get started, make sure, if anything, for you all to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias, especially Instagram, because they usually get all the first things first. Now, let's just go ahead and get started and get right into it. Okay, so this is the hair that we have. It's Curls Queen, and it says it's the best textured clip-ins for black natural hair. I have reviewed some clip-ins for other companies before, so I am actually really excited to try these. If you have not seen those other videos, make sure you guys click the link either in my videos or it'll appear up here so you can see some of the other clip-ins that I have tried or some of the other reviews that I have done, because we gotta compare them all, honestly, ladies, because we gotta see who's the best of the best of the best. You get what I'm saying? So let's see what they have in here other than the hair. Okay. Let's see. So the one that they sent me, because it says exactly what's here, the one they sent me is 18 inches in Coarse Yaki, Indian virgin hair. They say that it can be washed, conditioned, cut, twisted, bantu knotted. Okay, they really coming through here. Okay, they making a lot of promises. It can be dyed or bleached, and it hasn't been dyed using permanent dyes. And one set, as they all say, is sufficient for your hair. And they also have like a return form, their contact information. I mean, I guess it's actually pretty straightforward when you think about it. So let's see. So I'm going to see what we have. Yes. So the hair, it actually looks good in the package. It looks like it has some natural colors to it, and it comes with extra clips at the bottom. Let me open it up to see how it's feeling. I'm just all over the place. Okay. Oh, it actually feels pretty good. I've tried some other clip-ins as far as like the similar texture. All right, smells kind of like what I'd expect from, you know, hair that's been shipped to me. So my hair right now is blow dried. I'm going to go ahead and press my hair out and then just go ahead and like install it. I think I might do a couple of different styles for you guys, but it's not really going to be much of a talking video. If you have any questions after I go ahead and install it and, you know, make some little statements at the end. But if you have any questions, make sure to put those down in the comments. And like I said, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. And I'm going to give you guys my honest review. So I will be back to install these clip-ins. Alright, let's do this. I'm ready to whip this. Okay. So here I realized that I needed to color the hair, so I just did a natural color on it just to match my hair a little bit better, because I noticed that the hair that was sent to me was just a shade too brown, and I didn't want to look like a fool, so I said, you know what, let me just rush right on out. I went to Target, I think. It was only like $5. I used 2 of them, and voila, it came out the shade I needed. Okay, so here you can see my just quick attempt at straightening my hair. So I really just used like the paddle brush blow dryer just to get it this straight, because I don't normally straighten my hair, but since this was the texture of the clip-ins they sent me, I figured, you know what, let's try something new. Let's get into this. But I mean, right now, this was after taking out some faux locks, and I did not take care of my hair too well, so that's why I was super excited to get it out of my hair anyway. And now I want you guys just to really enjoy the music, but I mean, you can already see how well this is blending with my hair. My hair, even though it looks super fine, is still pretty thick. It's definitely a good medium amount, especially since I haven't put heat in my hair in so long. Oh wait, quick dance break. We gotta get into that for sure. At this point I was a little excited. Also a little off my rocker. I think I had a drink before, but it's cool. That's how you work. Pleasure and work. So already you can see how well this is doing. It really is looking pretty good, and this is just on a loose straightening job. Like I said, I would honestly even probably, like, if you're like me and don't really like to straighten your hair, just get the regular blowout texture instead of like the between silk press blowout texture. But either way, this still looks really good. Yes, sis. Yes. Model it. Get into it. Come to the front. Yes. Head nod. Bring it forward. Oh my God. She is serving face. Who is she? Oh my God. That's me? Face, girl. Face. I mean, and at this point, I was pretty excited about it. So I'll just kind of tell you guys what I was thinking as I'm putting in the final few pieces. Like I said, it definitely did blend pretty well. I personally could have used just a little bit, like it filled my head up for sure, but I like to have really thick ends, since my ends of my hair are so thick, so it just, you know, it just kind of works a little bit better for me to have like thicker ended hair. But either way, as you can still see, it's still blended really nicely. I think, like if you're like, you know, nice, real natural look, and this will still look natural, I think, even if you did add in a few extra clip-ins. Otherwise it was pretty awesome. Like, I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. Secondly, I do want to let you guys know that they sent this hair to me, but this is still my honest review. Just a heads up. I am not being paid for it, but they sent it to me for me to review. And honestly, I think it's pretty solid. I wouldn't pass this one up. I would give it a second look, second glance, but I think for me, I'd probably just go with a different texture, or maybe even try the curly texture. Otherwise, it was still pretty cute. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Please and thank you. Now, until next time, it has been real. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, loves. Bye.